be doing Waterrock Knob and Browning Knob near Maggie Valley, North Carolina. The trail is 1.7 miles out and back, and an interesting stop along the way is the wreckage of a 40-year-old plane crash. We'll show you guys how to get there, so let's get going. Alright, we have made it to Waterrock Knob. If you were coming up the trail to come see the plane, if you've made it this far, you've gone a little bit too far. You're going to want to turn around and go back down the trail just a little bit. Right after the stone stairs, there's a path to the right, and you're going to take that little footpath. Somebody has spray painted a blue arrow on the rock. It may be there when you come up here, but you're going to take that little path to the right to see the plane crash. So what you're going to do is turn around, come back down the path. Come down these stone steps. There's a blue arrow on this rock, and you're going to take this little footpath off to the side. If you come down here, be extremely careful, take your time. It's slick and muddy, and there's a lot of roots and down trees and rocks and stuff, so just take your time. Hey guys, quick reminder, if you like this video, please make sure to actually hit that like button. It really helps support our channel. Also, we noticed that only about 15% of the people who watch our channel are subscribed, so if you like our content, please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for all your support. We really appreciate it. Let's get back to it. So if you come out here and do this trail, just make sure you know your skill level and your group skill level, because you are using all points of contact to make it through this trail. Personally, for me, bringing kiddos out on this trail would be stressful, but just know their skill level and know your skill level and just make wise decisions.
After trampling through the forest for almost a mile. Burning up, aren't you?
Sweating. That's beautiful.
It is gorgeous, ain't it?
I'm glad it
finally opened up a little bit.
So we actually read online a while back that they use this trail to practice search and rescue missions, which we thought was really cool, really interesting, that they could use something that was a tragedy and use it for good and help them to better prepare to help people survive. So once you've reached this part of the trail, you've reached a nice opening with a beautiful view to the left. If you don't continue straight, go right down the trail. There's a blue arrow on a stone, and you're going to continue this way. Hikers, enjoy your time on the Flat Balsam Trail, but take only pictures and leave only footprints. Browning Knob is part of the Blueridge Parkway, the National Park Service, and the Department of the Interior. Everything on the mountain is federally protected, including the plane wreck where 2 people died. This site is now being monitored by wildlife cameras that wirelessly link back to the visitor center. Any damage or graffiti done to the plane or surrounding area by you will be recorded in real time. On Friday, May 7, 2021, 2 hikers vandalized the plane with graffiti. Law enforcement had their full descriptions and license plate number before they returned to the parking lot. They are now being charged with federal vandalism of national park property. So on Thanksgiving night, November 24th, 1983, this Cessna 414 was flying from Illinois to Sylva, North Carolina, and ended up crashing here on Browning Knob. They determined that the crash was due to low visibility from precipitation and low-lying clouds, and neither the pilot nor the passenger survived. So when you come out here, please be respectful. So as you can see behind me, there is wreckage all the way down this mountain. I'm not sure where the plane impacted, if it impacted up there and just went, or if it was right up there and went down the mountain. I'm not sure, but it's all over. There's parts of this plane all over the mountain right here. We did read though that the pilot, they were coming from Illinois and it was Thanksgiving, and they found that the pilot did have a 0.04 blood alcohol level, which isn't much, but may have played a factor in this, but it's probably just due to low visibility mainly. Alright guys, so that was Waterrock Knob to Browning Knob plane crash off of the Blueridge Parkway. If you come out here, please be respectful, be careful, as 2 people did lose their lives here. If you're not an avid hiker, this may not be the best trail for you, as it is very strenuous. Make sure you wear good shoes if you do decide to come on this trail. The trail is absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys for joining us on this adventure. We look forward to seeing you on our next one.